Hello and welcome to our channel. We are here today to discuss general maintenance for your artificial turf lawn. While artificial turf is much easier to maintain than a standard grass lawn, there is still some maintenance required to keep your synthetic grass looking as good as it did the day it was installed. Now, the three main types of maintenance we will discuss are refluffing the blades, rinsing and spot cleaning, and removing debris. When it comes to refluffing the blades, your best option will be to use a power broom. Most installers offer this service to their clients, or you could rent one from a local equipment rental company. Or the third option would be to use a push broom. Just make sure that you push against the grain of the turf, preferably at the warmest part of the day. Next, we will discuss rinsing your artificial turf. After a while, your synthetic grass will collect a layer of dust or dirt. This is when you can give your turf a light spray from your garden hose, just enough to knock off that layer of dust. If there are any areas of your turf that have been stained or discolored, you can use a standard household cleaner and a scrub brush to deal with any small stains. After being sprayed clean, the water should drain through your turf, especially if you used Wonderfill during your turf install, as our high-quality, hard, round silica sand grains help to maximize drainage for your artificial turf. And finally, from time to time, you will need to remove debris from your synthetic lawn, such as leaves. This can be done either by raking them up or using a leaf blower, just as you would on standard grass. So that should cover the general maintenance for your artificial turf. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or informative. Stay tuned for more videos like this to help you get the most out of your artificial turf by using Wonderfill. Make it a Wonderfill world. Make it a Wonderfill life.